Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q5 Black Edition 45 TFSI. It comes dressed in the sleek florid silver, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you have the privacy glass, adding a touch of mystery to the car's side profile. Standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5V spoke star design, making a bold statement with every turn. The power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, a centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic S and Boss logo, and front centre armrests for extra comfort and support. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aids for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB or FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the 3-zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. With the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up with the 12V and USB charging point, a hidden compartment to keep those phone wires in, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi Q5 Black Edition is now available and on site. For more information, please contact our sales team who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.